Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Aditya Shiksha. Please see the video full, and if you liked my video then don't forget to press the like option. अगर आप मेरे चैनल में नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब भी करना ना भूलें इस चैनल को. So in our last video we have done about number system, that is class 9 syllabus number system, and out of the whole syllabus there is a part called rationalizing the denominator. So we will be discussing about rationalizing the denominator again, and various different types of sums will be done based on rationalizing the denominator. So today's topic is rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator. So the first question that we will be doing is 1 by root 6 minus root 5. So we will try to rationalize the denominator part. This is denominator and this is numerator, isn't it? So how to do it? Next step will be 1 by root 6 minus root 5, isn't it? What I will multiply in the denominator such that this becomes rational number and we get a rational number in the denominator. So we will multiply root 6 plus root 5. Why? Because we will try to convert this in the form of a square minus b square, isn't it? A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So if we have multiplied root 6 plus root 5 in the denominator, we will multiply root 6 plus root 5 also in the numerator. So what I will get? 1 into root 5 plus root 6 is equal to root 5 plus 1 into root 6 plus root 5 is equal to root 6 plus root 5. And this will be converted in the form of a square minus b square, isn't it? Next step will be, this will remain same. Okay, root 6 whole square is equal to 6 minus root 5 whole square is equal to 5. It will be equal to root 6 plus root 5 by 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Is that clear? So this is one of the questions that we have tried to see, that how to rationalize the denominator of 1 by root 6 minus root 5. What we will do first? We will multiply the denominator, that is root 6 minus root 5 with root 6 plus root 5. We will try to convert in the formula, that is a square minus b square. So the rest we have discussed. So if you see this particular part, what we get? 1 into root 6 plus root 5 is equal to root 6 plus root 5. Then a minus b, root 6 minus root 5, root 6 plus root 5, root 6 minus root 5 into root 6 plus root 5 is equal to root 6 square minus root 5 square. Root 6 square is equal to 6, root 5 square is equal to 5. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. That means 1 is a rational number and hence we have rationalized the denominator. So we will move on to the next question. 30 by 5 root 3 minus 3 root 5. 30 by 5 root 3 minus 3 root 5 will be equal to, now see, a minus b, I will multiply it with a plus b, is it not? 35 root 3 minus 3 root 5 into 5 root 3 plus 3 root 5. Same, with the same number I will multiply in the numerator. 3 plus 3 root 5. So this particular part, a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. If you want, you can put a bracket. So it will be 5 root 3 whole square minus 3 root 5 whole square, and this will be equal to 30 5 root 3 plus 3 root 5. Okay. Next, 30 5 root 3, 30 into 5 root 3 plus 3 root 5. Now, if we try to find the whole square of 5 root 3 5 root 3 whole square is equal to 5. Let me show here. 5 root 3 whole square is equal to 5 5s are 25 into root 3 into root 3. 3 is equal to how much? 75. Isn't it? So it will be 75. Similarly, now we will try to find out this. 3 root 5 whole square is equal to 3 3s are 9 into root 5 into root 5. 5 is equal to 45. Okay. This much we have got. Next, 30, same 35 root 3 plus 3 root 5 by 75 minus 45. How much? 30, isn't it? But I suggest you should calculate it manually. Then it is far better, because there should not be any kind of mistake while doing. So it is better that you calculate in the rough corner. 30 30 it will be cancelled. So the answer will be 5 root 3 plus 3 root 5. Is that clear? Again we will see another question. Third question. Y square by x square plus y square plus x. You have to rationalize the denominator. Equal to y square root over x square plus y square plus x. With what I will multiply? I will multiply with x square plus y square minus x. Isn't it? Here I will multiply with the same number, x square plus y square minus x. Okay. Next, y square into x square plus y square, root over x square plus y square minus x, and this will be root over x square plus y square whole square minus x whole square. Is it not? This will be y square root over x square plus y square minus x. This will be equal to x square plus y square minus this will be x square. So x square will be cancelled. So what is remaining? Y square. Is it not? So y square is equal to y square by root over x square plus y square minus x by y square. Isn't it? So y square will be cancelled. What is left? Root over x square plus y square minus x. So this is your required answer. This is something different with the other, isn't it? Okay. So I'll give you few questions related to the topic that I have recently shown you. Okay. So home task number 1. 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2. You have to rationalize the denominator. Number 2, root over 7 plus root over 2 by 9 plus 2 root 14. Number 3, 1 by root 2 plus root 3. Number 4, 1 by root 2 plus root 3 plus root 10. So these 4 questions, these 4 questions you will try to solve it by your own. Now the next question that we will be doing will be based on simplification. So let us see. The next question. It is also based on rationalizing the denominator. The question goes 3 root 2 by root 3 plus root 6 minus 4 root 3 by root 6 plus root 2 plus root 6 by root 2 plus root 3. So this is the question. First what we will do? We will rationalize the denominator. We will rationalize the denominator. So root 3 plus root 6 into root 3 minus root 6. 3 root 2 into root 3 minus root 6 minus 4 root 3 root 6 plus root 2 into root 6 minus root 2 into root 6 minus root 2 plus root 6 root 2 plus root 3 into root 2 minus root 3 into root 2 minus root over 3. So here can I write directly 3 minus 6, and this will be equal to 3 root 6 minus 3 root 12, which will be equal to minus 3, and this will be equal to how much? 3 if we take common, root 6 minus root 12. So 3 will be cancelled, minus root 6 minus root 12. This part we have solved. Next this part. So this will be equal to 6 minus 2. And here if we multiply, we will get 4 root 18 minus 4 root 6, which will be equal to minus, this will be equal to 4 common, root 18 minus root 6, 4 cancel, we will be getting minus root 18 minus root 6. Keep it like this. This part we will try to solve, plus this will be equal to 2 minus 3. Root 6 into root 2 is equal to root 12, so I write root 12 directly, minus root over 18, isn't it? Plus it will be equal to minus 1 root 12 minus root 18. Is that clear? Now this plus minus minus root 12 minus root over 18. Isn't it? Till this much it is clear? So rub the top portion. 2 minutes I am giving, you can note it down. Note it down till this much. Okay, let me rub this part. This I will bring it here. Minus root 6 is equal to minus root 6, minus plus minus plus root 12, minus plus minus root over 18, minus plus root 6, minus plus minus root 12, minus plus root over 18. If you see carefully, minus root 6 plus root 6, it will cancel. Plus 12 minus root 12, plus root 12 minus root 12 cancel, minus root 18 plus root 18 cancel. That means the answer is 0. Is it clear? So I will give you a question related to this type of question. Okay, you try to solve it by your own for the sake of self-practice. Self-practice is very important. Okay, note it down. Same, under the heading of simplification, question number 1. 7 root 3 by root over 10 plus root over 3 minus 2 root 5 by root over 6 plus root over 5 minus 3 root 2 by root 15 plus 3 root 2. This is one of the question. Next, this particular question also you can try. This will be based on rationalizing the denominator. 1 by root 2 plus root 3 plus root 10. Now next particular question that we would like to try is if, note it down, if x is equal to 7 minus 4 root 3, then find the value of number 1 root over x plus 1 by root over x. Second is root over x minus 1 by root over x. So we will try to see. Out of the two, I will be solving only one. So I will try to solve first this one. So root over x plus 1 by root over x. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 7 minus 4 root 3. What will be the value of root over, what will be the value of 1 by x? It will be 1 by 7 minus 4 root 3. Now since the denominator is irrational, we will try to convert it into rational number. So what will be the value? It will be equal to 1 by 7 minus 4 root 3 into, with what I will multiply? Plus, yes, 7 plus 4 root 3, 7 plus 4 root 3 in both numerator and denominator. So it will become here 7 plus 4 root 3. and it will be how much? 7 square minus 4 root 3 whole square, which will be equal to how much? 7 plus 4 root 3, and this is equal to 49. 7 sevens are 49. This will be 4 fours are how much? 4 fours are 16. 16 threes are 48, which will be equal to 7 plus 4 root 3 by 1, which is equal to 7 plus 4 root 3. That means the answer will be how much? 7 plus 4 root 3. Directly I am writing here 7 plus 4 root 3. Isn't it? So x is equal to this much, 1 by x is equal to this much. So what will be the value of x plus 1 by x? It will be equal to how much? 7 minus 4 root 3 plus 7 plus 4 root 3. Isn't it? It will be equal to how much? 7 plus 7, 14, and this will be cancelled. That means x plus 1 by x is equal to 14. X plus 1 by x is equal to 40. But I need the value of this, isn't it? So what I will do? Let us see. X plus 1 by x plus 2. If I add 2 in this side, I will be adding 2 in this side even. Isn't it? Okay. So now see carefully. Root over x whole square plus 1 by root over x whole square plus 2 into root over x into 1 by root over x. I have written this x plus 1 by x plus 2 in this form. Okay, both are same or different? Can you identify? Yes, both are same. That means x I can represent as root over x whole square, because root over x whole square is equal to x. 1 by x is equal to 1 by root over x whole square, which is equal to 1 by x. 2 is equal to 2 into root over x plus 1 by root over x. Root over x and root over x both will be cancelled and the answer will remain 2. The reason of expressing this particular expression in this particular expression is that because when I am representing this in this form, I get the value what? A root over x plus 1 by root over x whole square, isn't it? This will be equal to how much? 16, which is equal to 4 square. Square cancel is equal to root over x plus 1 by root over x is equal to 4. Is that clear? This question I have solved it. This you will be trying by your own. With this we come to the end of our today's class. Now, while seeing my channel, it appears that all the videos that I have uploaded, you might find it very difficult to understand which particular video comes first and second. So there is one option, that is playlist option. You go to the playlist option and each and every videos are arranged very properly. That means class 9 video, class 9 video, real number, it is arranged very properly. You go in that particular place, that means playlist option, and you can see the video. It is arranged in a very chronological manner. You will not find any kind of difficulty to understand. So with this I end my today's lecture.